I decided to study the sports turf program at the Cromwell campus just purely because I love the sport and being outdoors, and groundskeeping kind of ticked every box really, and loved it ever since. So since I've graduated, I've been thankfully taken on by DVML as a full-time groundsman here at University of Otago in Forsyth Bar, and having the best of both worlds of the rugby and the cricket has been splendid really. Sports turf is very rewarding in terms of it's different every day. You can turn up and it'll be nice, hot and sunny and you'll be rolling the wicket, getting it ready for a game, or it'll be raining and you're trying to battle the elements, trying to drain your ground or get wood off the wicket. And other days you could be at Forsyth Bar, for example, mowing in a couple of stripes for All Blacks game. Everything's very rewarding and very different day to day. You couldn't ask for anything more really. The facilities and the lectures at the Cromwell campus were unreal, really good. Small classes, so it's quite one-on-one and hands-on, and 9-hole golf course out back. Everything you learn in the class you can go out and put it into work straight away, and while you're studying there, every Friday they put you down on an internship type thing. I was lucky enough to get the Queenstown Cricket Oval. My first year, and then the second year I was lucky enough again to get here at the University Oval in Dunedin. It was very helpful in terms of to see what it was like, if that makes sense. I highly would recommend the sports turf program to other students. It's a great way to get out and amongst it, and a great way to meet people as well, especially if you love outdoors and love sport, and it has definitely set me up in terms of preparing myself for a career in the real world, and I probably wouldn't ask for anything better really.